Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called quality circle. A quality circle or quality control circle is a group of workers who do the same or similar work, who meet regularly to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems. It consists of minimum 3 and maximum 12 members in number, normally small in size. The group is usually led by the supervisor or manager and presents its solution to the management. Where possible, workers implement the solution themselves in order to improve the performance of the organization and motivate employees. Quality circle were at their most popular during 1980s but continue to exist in the form of Kaizen group and similar worker participation scheme in many organizations. Typical topics for attention of quality circle are improving occupational safety and health, improving product design, and improvement in the workplace and manufacturing processes. The movement is built on work by Dr. Edward Deming during the Allied occupation of Japan, for which Deming Prize was established in 1950, as well as work by Joseph Juran in 1954. Quality circle are typically more formal groups. They meet regularly on a company time and are trained by competent persons, usually designated as facilitator, who may be personal and industrial relations specialists trained in human factors and basic skills of problem identification, information gathering, analysis, basic statistics, and solution generation. Quality circle are generally free to select any topic they wish other than those related to salary and terms and condition of the work, as there are other channels through which these issues can be usually considered. Quality circle have the advantage of continuity. The circle remains intact from one project to another project. Thanks for watching. Bye.